Today we're going to test out our WoodMaxx 8M wood chipper. Okay, now running our wood chipper, we have a Kubota L3560, and what we will be chipping today is a big pile of pin oak branches that we got off of our driveway. Now what we'll do is we'll start off with the small branches first, and then we'll work up to the bigger branches. Once we get up to the bigger branches, we'll break out the tape measure so that you guys can see exactly what size wood that this wood chipper can process and how long it takes per large branch. The wood chips will be going into, George, if you want to hop up here, this wagon that's on our ATV. And one of the things that surprised me most when I first started using the wood chipper is the fact that it doesn't make a lot of wood chips, right? We do a lot of trimming around here, and one of the reasons I bought the wood chipper was I thought, well, it'll help me clean stuff up, but it'll also give me wood chips to put on my trails. Listen, this big pile of brush here, it ain't gonna turn into very many wood chips. But you will be surprised at how big a limb this thing can process without any trouble. All right, so let's get to work right now. All right, so 25 minutes later, and the WoodMaxx 8M has made short work of that big pile of brush. So listen, if you're buying this thing to help you clean up when you're trimming trees or pulling out brush honeysuckle, it's awesome. It works perfectly on limbs up to about 4 or 5 inches easily. I think I could probably get away with something a little bit bigger. Now, if you're thinking about what you're gonna do post the wood chipping, if you are happy that a bunch of tree limbs don't turn into much in the way of wood chips, then you're in good shape, because all of those tree limbs only turned into one ATV load full of wood chips. But if you think that you're going to take and buy a PTO powered wood chipper and you're going to have an efficient way to create mulch for your trails, that's not going to work. That's what I thought when I first bought it, and that's not in the cards, okay? But as far as cleaning up trails, which is what we mainly use it for, it's awesome and I highly recommend it.